Guys, I just wanted to take a quick video here. First time I've been on the highway, and I just filled up the tank, and I decided to kind of monitor fuel consumption on the highway. So I reset it just as I got on the highway to see what my fuel mileage would be on the highway, and I'm getting close to, it's coming up to 40 miles per gallon. Now that's just straight highway. Let's see if I can hit that 40 mile per gallon mark. I think it's gonna happen here, as long as nobody cuts me off. I'm behind a truck here. Oh, there it is. I missed it just as I raised up the camera to show you. I'm over 40 miles per gallon now. I never thought that'd be possible, and I've been driving now for how many miles straight? 13.8 miles. So yeah, that's not a huge range or distance, but it continues to go up pretty fast. So I mean, shoot, even if I gotten maybe over the long haul, if I were to drive down to Florida from Illinois here, I mean, stopping for bathroom breaks or whatever, I could do, 60 miles an hour, maybe a little more, and even get 35 miles per gallon, I'd be amazed. So going up a little hill here, so it's dropping a little bit, but all right, I'm gonna get off the highway now, and that's pretty amazing to me. I'm sure it would have stayed around 40 or more miles per gallon on the highway. And I've got the 315 gears in here, so that might be helping out a little bit as well on the highway mile per gallon. But I'll have to do another longer video and of a longer drive on the highway to see over time what it would average out to. But that's a pretty good number right there. So now I'm off the highway onto regular roads. But yeah, I'll do another video later on when I have to make a trip somewhere. It should be pretty interesting.
Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for some awesome upcoming performance videos.